So the second use case that we chose is digital asset management. And there's a number of reasons that we chose this, but one of them is that it's a really good way to get marketing teams using Content Manager and seeing it as a valuable part of their workflow and organization. We've also seen a number of approaches to market this year. I think it's at 3 already, about looking for digital asset management systems. And if you have a look at the capabilities that you actually need to implement digital asset management within your organization, they're all available in Content Manager with, maybe one or two exceptions that may require an add-on. That list that I've got up there too, that's available at the link that's at the bottom of the page if anybody's interested in it, and you can go and find a lot of other good stuff about digital asset management there. But if we have a look at the next slide, this is a capability statement that came out as part of a recent tender. Everything that's in there, with the exception of image editing, is available within Content Manager. And even image editing is something where people are used to downloading the asset, editing it, and then putting it back in Content Manager. What's really missing from Content Manager to make all of this work is some basic functionality around things like, making image uploads really easy, making them easy to browse. So, that ability to view thumbnails and those sorts of things and scroll through them quickly. And some other catalog management functionality as well. That's why one of the things that we've been doing for, God, it's got to be 20 years now, is making the Sigma Pictures product. And I might just hand over to Lisa, I think, to talk through a little bit about that product and the capability that it adds that makes Content Manager brilliant for digital asset management.
Yeah, thanks, Carl. So Sigma Pictures is a very mature product operating in a large number of customers across the globe, actually, which is really good. And so what is it? So it's effectively a bulk load tool and a image viewer, if you like, originally adding on to Trim back in the day, providing some additional functionality to import pictures directly from your camera, your phone or share drives. It provides some automatic image cleanup and watermarking. It manages the static data, file data, the EXIF data, and you can search the images via CM. You can look for images via GPS coordinates. You've got thumbnail viewing, and we have a web browser which you've got an image of there for mobility. We've got a mobile and tablet viewer as well, which is pretty good. And the classic desktop interface remains at the moment. The types of views that are available are thumbnail, film strip, and some item lists. Some of the functionality that you will see is when the image has embedded GPS coordinates, this is saved with the record when catalogued. And using pictures, you can show an image taken on a map. So you can select one or many images and then view that on the map. Inside the web client, we have a number of search options, including the free text search, date selection and date range, record number, location, and geocode search. You've got the ability to upload directly into the web client. You've got the ability to view from the web client as well. You can catalogue following a wizard, which is quite helpful for some people who are not experienced users. And once you've created a catalogue as an administrator, you can make that available to your end users so they can simply press new and upload images quite with ease. Within the cataloguing, there is image processing. So you can set some rules to have image rotation, automatic text stamps, which might be things like the record number or the location or the case or maintenance case or something like that. You can standardise the format, apply a border, place size limits, compress image, etc. There's sophisticated metadata mapping available. I won't go through this now because it's quite a lot there, but effectively caters for all metadata that's both system-based or inbuilt and also custom or add additional. You also have the ability from the web client to supercopy. You can open the image in the web client. Again, you can view it on a map or make a reference file and insert that into a report, for example.